Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix too many requests in Hotmail or Outlook. So the first method you can try is to try to wait for 15 to 30 minutes and try again. So this error is usually temporary. After 15 or 30 minutes of no login attempts, the rate limit resets automatically, so you can now try signing in again using the correct credentials. Also, you can try to switch to mobile data or hotspot. So sometimes changing the Wi-Fi can really help you to log in again and fix this issue. Just go on your phone. As see from here, you can just open your phone and click on hotspot option. As see from here. So after clicking on hotspot option, you can just click on your Wi-Fi, and from here you can find your mobile data and sign in to your mobile data and use it on your computer and try to sign in to your Outlook or Hotmail. Also, you can try just to disconnect your Wi-Fi from here, just disable it like this and turn it on again. Sometimes this will refresh your settings and will help you to fix this issue. So, the last thing that you can do is to use a VPN. So, VPN makes a private connection that won't be interrupted. So, if you have a problem with the server or the connection that you are using now, a VPN may fix this issue and will let you log into your Outlook without any problem. So, thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.